Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect a VPN with NordVPN for US privacy protection. Complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the official NordVPN website. Navigate to the Get NordVPN section. Choose a subscription plan that best suits your needs. Create an account by entering your email and selecting a password. Proceed to enter your payment information to complete the purchase. Once your account is set up, log in using your email and password. Download the NordVPN application for your device. Install the application by following the on-screen instructions. Open the NordVPN app after installation is complete. Log in using the account credentials you created earlier. Once logged in, you will see a map or a list of servers. Choose the United States as your desired location for privacy protection. Click on the Connect button to establish a VPN connection. Wait for the app to confirm that you are connected securely. Check your IP address using an online IP checker to ensure it's now a US-based IP. Adjust any settings according to your privacy preferences. Explore additional features such as the kill switch and Cyber SEC for enhanced security. You are now fully connected to NordVPN for US privacy protection. Enjoy safe browsing and secure online activities. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.